टुकड़ा नहीं है, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। अटल जी ने कहा था कि ये वंदन की धरती है, अभिनंदन की धरती है, अर्पण की भूमि है, ये तर्पण की भूमि है। इसकी नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा है, इसका कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर है। हम जिएंगे तो इस भारत के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भारत के लिए, और मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हुई हमारी अस्थियां को कोई कान लगा कर सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, respected principal, honorable chief guest, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Priyank Varaki. I am studying in first standard. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. As we all know that we all are gathered here on the very special occasion of our country, which is called Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival and very important to us. On this day, our country Constitution came into force on 26 January 1950. Actually, the Indian Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constitution Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. Our constitution is the largest written constitution in the whole world. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. Republic means a country whose leader is a president and a prime minister who are elected by the public. There is no dynasty of kings and queens. According to our constitution, India is a secular country. There is no discrimination on the basis of religion, caste, gender or color. Our constitution has given us our rights equality. The great hero and freedom fighter of our country have fulfilled their responsibility by giving us freedom and making our constitution. Now it's our duty to protect and respect the system and constitution of our country. It's our responsibility to lead our country and make it the best country of the world. We must assume now that India is a developing nation and it's our team to make it developing nation. We must be proud to be Indian. At the end of my speech, I would like to say one line. East or west, India is the best. जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय, जय जवान, जय किसान।